Hi, this is Vikas from LearnSharely.com. In this learning tutorial, I am going to tell you how to create a script in the Jmeter using the Jmeter. Jmeter is basically the Chrome plugin, where using that you can record and create the script. Right. So here is my blog post. You can check it out. You can find the basic step to record the script in the Jmeter, right? The step one is you have to install the Chrome plugin. You have to navigate that link or Google it, Jmeter Chrome plugin, like Jmeter Chrome plugin for Jmeter. You can find that link, and you have to add plugin to the Chrome, right? It's available for the Chrome only, so you cannot use in any other browser, so you have to stick with the Chrome. After the installation, you can get that Jmeter icon on the browser menu bar, and here you can, there is a red button. You can say that is a recording button, right? And first of all, you have to create the user account on the Jmeter site, right? So after login, you can export the script. Without login, you cannot export the script. So it is mandatory to create the account on the Jmeter. So I'm going to show you how to record the script. You have to now find one demo site for that, or you can record for your application. You can open that application and click on the record buttons, right? So I am closing the any other tab, so that will not affect our recording process. There is one demo site which I'm going to record it. It's Orange HRM to a demo 66 orangelive.com, right? So I have to click on the Jmeter plugin, and you can set some other advanced option as well, like pattern and the current browser. You can rename it, let's say demo session, and you can select any other browser. I'm using the current browser, and clicking on the start recording, right? Let's say I am adding action name is a login, add step, and here is providing the admin, and there is the password, right? And click in the login button, right? Then I am clicking on the admin tab. Okay, admin tab. Okay, and then user management. Okay, then user. Oh. On the user, I can create a user. User create, username Vikas Singh, Vikas David Cole. Okay, select assistant manager and save. Password, let's say 12345. Okay, give an editor, Google editor, and save. Oh, sorry, no problem. I will basically copy that action on that script, right? Then I'm clicking on the logout button. and I'm stop recording. Okay, then I'm going to export the file, save, select Jmx and save. It will going to take some time. After that it will export the Jmx file, and you can open that in the demo session, show in the folder, right, copy it and open the launch the Jmeter. Here you can see what Jmeter has added, right? You can see the name of the test plan, demo session. The test plan is created by the Jmeter, right? It has added the user defined variable. It's the base URL, the website of the site, right? HTTP request default is used for the defaulting the basically the passing the HTTP request URL and the path from the single place. The DNS cache manager and the HTTP authorization manager. You are not using authorization, you can remove it. It added by default. The cookie manager, Jmeter is not a browser, so it is using cookie manager to manage the browser session. The cache manager is clearing the cache, right? And here is the login script, right? There is a one main request that is right. This is the home page where the token get generated, right? And this is the login page. I'm renaming the step. So this is the home page, this is the login page, and this is all the redirection. You can see the JSON file, the dashboard widget, so that all the redirection. So I am deleting all the unwanted stuff. Right now I have a two thing, home and the login, right? You can say this is the header manager, and here is the header manager as well, and as well as the random timer, and this is user management. There's a lot of stuff here, right? So I am not going to explain that part, right? This is the logout step. I'm going to explain it on login and logout, right? This script is not going to pass because it have the CSRF token, right? So I'm going to explain that CSRF token handling in the next Jmeter tutorial. You can browse through my blog and find that one, right? So you can see in the login request there is a username, text username is admin, right? The action and this is token. CSRF token is for the cross-site request forgery. Like most of the website have added that security feature to prevent hacker to hack the sites, right? So it can be handled using the correlation concept of the Jmeter to handling the dynamic values. So in the password section, you can see the password is admin123, and that is user ID, and there is a content type text plain. And if I add to the sampler and not sampler, I have to add a listener to check the result. Here is the play button. You can play that. Execution button or play button. This is a home page request, right? And you can say in the response data that is a token is generated, right? And there is all the redirection, right? In the login page you can see this is a main request, and all the 12 requests are basically redirect, 13 requests are basically redirection of the main page. In the main request you can see the method is a post, username is admin, and the password is admin123, and it also provides the time zone offset and the CSR token value. If I had provided that token value in the input field, it will pass, but it is failing because I have provided wrong long CSR token. It is taking time because in the logout there is a uniform random timer of this. So if I disable it, if I replay it will take no time. Stop. Okay, let's do it again. Yeah, let's log out. Log out is passing because it is doing nothing, right? Okay, that is all about the Jmeter recording. You can see how simple it is, and you can create a script in no time using the Jmeter plugin. Thank you guys.